Hey students, this is the MLA Format Help page. Now this resource is here to help you with the essays that you'll be writing in your assignments for this class. So the help page has a little cheat sheet up here, which I will mostly go over, but if you want a more thorough view at MLA format, go ahead and click these two videos. Also, if you want to double check right before you submit one of your papers, go ahead and log on to online tutoring. This video will show you how to log on to online tutoring, and you can submit your paper for them to proofread. Now that's an awesome service. Definitely you want to use it. So I'm not going to be too strict on MLA format, but I want you to remember these key things. So the page header, you're going to have a title name, but go ahead and put your title here and then whatever page you're on. So the page header goes on every page. So let's say for instance your title here is surname 1. So if we were going to move on to page 2, it would be surname page 2. If we were going to go on to page 3, it would be surname page 3. So on the left, this is very important. Put your name, my name, the course name, counseling 5, and always put the section number 14430. So for whatever class you're going to do, make sure you put that class's name and that class's section number. And you're going to want to put the due date. In the center, you're going to want the official title of your paper. In addition, everything must be double spaced. So that's just a quick look at MLA format. That's all I'm expecting from you. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up anytime.